Hello everyone, it's me Jane back again with C. Jane Drive Results. We're here for an episode of C. Jane Cook with our Cook Unity meals again. I thought, why not give it another try and do another round of Cook Unity videos and Cook Unity sampling of their entrees. I have been really enjoying these entrees. I think they are very, very good. Today we are trying out Ruben Garcia's shrimp hummus bowl. Couple of notes on this is one of the cold entrees that I selected this month. I like to eat them first when I receive it. I've been moving around quite a bit. I was first in Pomona when trying Cook Unity, and then I was in the Valley in LA, and now I am here in Riverside. And I have noticed some variance in my delivery. When I was in Pomona and also when I was in the Valley, I received these early in the day. However, this time it came about 7 o'clock in the evening on the day of delivery. And the delivery bag had the ice had kind of melted. So I hope that this is fresh. We're going to find out. So this is what my entree came with. It's got some curried looking shrimp. There are some grains in here and some fresh vegetables. I noticed that I see a pickled onion in here. There's some feta, and it says it's a hummus bowl, so I assume that this is the hummus. Actually, it looks like tzatziki. It's tzatziki. So, I don't know where the hummus is. Oh, I found the hummus. The hummus is on the side here underneath some of the ingredients, and it has some fresh chickpeas on top. So, I'm going to try one of the shrimp first. It is tasty. Let me try one with the hummus. It's pretty good. A little spicy, and I like that. Here's one of the pickled onions. Very good, like pickled onions always are. I just tried one of the cucumber and tomato salad. It's pretty good. I personally would enjoy it more if it didn't have these grains in it. I think it would be better with rice, but I don't really care for whatever this grain is. And I can't even tell what it is because I don't have my glasses on. But I do notice that it is 460 calories with 29 grams of protein, which is not bad. And 33 grams of carbohydrates, not bad for having all these grains in it. This entree is icy. There's ice in it. I probably should have left it out on the counter for a few minutes. All right, so for me, oh wait, I didn't try the tzatziki. I don't love tzatziki, but I think I should try it, so. On this one, I think the sides are like a 4. And I think the shrimp is like a 6. So, adding these together, 4 plus 6 divided by 2. I would give this entree like a 5. It's okay. I would not order it again. Sorry. It just wasn't to my taste. But, you know, for something that's just okay, I'm probably going to pick through it and eat parts of it. And I would like to note that the shrimp are pretty high quality, so I would recommend those. Overall, Cook Unity has been a good value and a good experience. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.